Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share your NGL link to your Facebook or Instagram stories. So here we are in Play Store, or if you're in iOS, you want to go into your App Store and you want to make sure that you have the updated NGL app so that it would work properly. And once you have made sure that you have the right one, then tap on open so that we can open our NGL. And once you have set up your account by providing your username, then you would be prompted right here. So from here, you would want to which NGL design you'd want to. So if you want this right here, this confessions, 3 words with friendships, Riz, or so on right there. So you just want to make sure that you choose what you want. And for example, I just want to simply choose this right here. Send me anonymous messages. So you want to tap on copy the link for this one. And now it's copied. And now all we have to do is go into our Instagram. Right here, go into your Instagram, and from here you want to add your story right here, add story, and then from here I want to go into choose a random photo, and let's say this one, and from here you want to tap here on the sticker icon, and from here you want to have to tap on the link right here, this link icon right here, tap on it, and from here you want to paste your NGL link and tap on done. And after that, it would show up like this one right here. As you can see, I now have this right here. But if you want to have it exactly like this one right here, then you would not need to upload an image right there. So let's just try and putting it in our story right here and tap on OK right here and open our story. And as you can see, we have the NGL link and they can visit the link right here. Or another way for you to use this design in uploading your story is you want to tap here on share. So for example, this is the design that I want, tap on share, and from here you want to tap on the next step until you see the share on the Instagram button, and then you want to tap it, and then you would be redirected to your Instagram story right here. And as you can see, I have now this template and all I have to do is tap on it right here. So go into your sticker icon and tap on link and paste your link again and tap on done. And after that, all you have to do is basically just position it right here. And now all we have to do is just simply upload it right there if you don't want to add anything more. And then tap on your story, and then just like that, you have successfully uploaded your NGL link into your story just like that. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.